Thinking about starting an online business in 2025? Well, some businesses are booming while others are just a waste of time. Today, I'm breaking down the best and the worst online businesses for beginners, so you don't have to waste your time with the wrong ones. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to get started and grow an online business using digital marketing. If you're tired of feeling stuck, looking for ways to earn more, become more financially stable, have financial freedom, you're in the right place and you're watching the right video. Because in this video, I'm going to show you which online businesses are worth starting in 2025 for beginners and which ones you should just avoid at all costs. So if you like this kind of content and videos that teach you how to start making money online with digital marketing, make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe, and drop me a comment down below so that you can find out, or you can be notified of when more videos like this are published, as I consistently put out more videos like this. And I'm also curious and interested to know where you are watching this video from. So comment down below and let me know where you're watching this video from. So let's get started. Let's dive in. All right. The first online business that I'd recommend, that I believe, in fact, I'm starting off with my favorite one here right now. Okay. The first online business that I'd recommend that any beginner to start is a business that has digital products, selling digital products online. Of course, online, right? Now, why is the digital products such a great opportunity, such a great business to start, even as for beginners? Well, because number one, there's a high profit margin, no inventory, right? They're digital products, and there's a potential for passive income, because once you create a digital product and you list it on your store or you list it on your website, hey, you only got to create it once. And you could drive traffic to that website. And once people start coming to that website or that store, they can buy the product, the digital product from you 24/7. And you don't need to do anything else with that. You create the product once and you can keep on selling that product over and over and over again. Now, what kind of products, does this include? What kind of digital products can you be selling? Well, you can be selling courses, online courses. You can be selling eBooks. You can be selling guides. You can be selling planners, like social media planners, ADHD planners, meal planners, all sorts of different planners or trackers. All of these type of products are easy for beginners to learn and create these type of products and start selling these products. How does a person get started selling digital products? Well, first thing that you want to do is you want to pick a niche. You want to pick a niche like health, wealth, personal fitness, relationships. Pick something like that. And it's something that you enjoy, something that you like to talk about, and something that is, in demand. And then you want to find products that are in demand. When picking your niche, it is important, like I said, pick something that you enjoy talking about, because that way you're going to enjoy creating these type of products. Now, here's a tip. You could also go and buy a PLR product that is, along the lines, and you could just, update it a little bit. It's got private label rights. You could edit it, you could add to it, and you could package it up as your own product. That's why it's called private label rights. So you can use a product like that. All right. And then you can go to a store like Etsy. You can use a Stan store. You can create your own store on your own website, right? And then you could sell these products on that store. Now, how do you get traffic? How do you get people there? Well, if you use a store or a platform like Etsy, they've already got hundreds of thousands of people that are already in their database, that are already coming to their store, coming to their website like that on a consistent basis all the time, right? They're always there and they're looking for similar products that they're already interested in. Or if you're using Stan Store, or you're using System.io, or using a different or Beacons or something like that, you're creating your own store. Now you can go to places like TikTok and YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. You can go to social media and you could start driving traffic that way by talking about your product, talking about the similar things within your niche, and then drive the traffic to your store. The second online business that is great for beginners is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing, just like digital products, it's a great product. With digital products, you have to go and create your own products. But with affiliate products or affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products. All you need to do is go to an affiliate network, sign up as a partner, and grab their link to a specific product, In fact, I like to mix this along with digital products, right? Because you could always add them into the mix. You could get multiple businesses like this going. So with affiliate products, you can affiliate programs. You go to the affiliate network, even Amazon. You go to Amazon, you can sign up as an Amazon affiliate, and you can go and you can find all sorts of products on Amazon, and you just grab an affiliate link. These are URLs that are coded to you personally. And then when you drive traffic to that link, well, people will come to that link and they'll purchase the product, service, or whatever it is. And it's coded to you and you get a commission. All right. It's like being an online sales commission. You don't need to apply for a job or anything like that. You just grab the link and you start promoting it. You got to apply as a partner or as an affiliate for the network first, of course, but it's really simple to do so. So it's very easy and accessible for beginners to get going with affiliate marketing. The next online business that's great for beginners to get started with is coaching. Online coaching or consulting as a coaching or consulting business. Now, maybe you're thinking, well, I'm a beginner. What do you mean? Coaching, consulting doesn't sound very beginner friendly. Absolutely it is. You see, you know something. You have skills, you have expertise, you have something in your head, in your knowledge that you already know, and somebody else is willing to trade their dollars for your knowledge. And you just need to make that exchange. You know what I'm saying? So it's very simple. Just think about what is it that you're passionate about? What is it that you know a lot about? Tutoring. Maybe you're good at recipes. Maybe you're good at meal planning. Maybe you're good at relationships. Maybe you're good at certain aspects of marketing. Maybe you're good at certain types of finance, fitness. What is it that you're passionate about? What is it that you're good about that you have knowledge that somebody is willing to learn or they want to learn and they're willing to pay for that knowledge and that expertise that you have? You can charge by the hour. You can charge per session, right? There's all sorts, you can create workshops is what you can do. There's all sorts of things that you can do when it comes to consulting and coaching with your knowledge, your passion, your expertise, because there are a lot of people out there that are willing to trade their money for your knowledge that you have. And then the next online business that's great for beginners, and it kind of goes along the lines with this too, because everybody's passionate about something. Everybody's got knowledge that they want to keep on talking about. And that is content creation and a YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok. Start a content creation business, especially like YouTube, because you can get started doing this. And right now, especially with YouTube, they're making it so much easier for beginners, for new, small, up and coming creators to get started with YouTube. And they're pushing your content out there. Why? Because YouTube wants more and more content creators to create content. Why? Because this is part of the revenue streams. When you start, creating an audience, you start creating traffic, you start bringing more and more people watching your content. Guess what? Once you get to the level where you're able to get monetized, YouTube will then monetize you. Number one, you can receive ad revenue on your YouTube videos. And that's one income stream that you're going to receive as a content creator on platforms such as YouTube. Okay. So YouTube is more than willing to and wanting to be pushing more and more small time creators out there so that they can get monetized, so that because YouTube wants to place the ads on your videos, because YouTube gets paid and then you get paid, you both get paid, right? And more content creators that are out there doing that. YouTube is going to push you out there. You're going to get the ad revenue coming in that way. And not only that, but then you could also eventually, potentially even get sponsorships from other brands that are out there to sponsor you and talk about their products and such on your channel in your content. Another thing you can be doing is you can be selling your own digital products, right? I've got digital products down below in the description of this video. Go check them out. I've got great digital products that will teach you how to do all this stuff, right? How to set up your online business and how to start selling digital products. By example, then you could also be selling affiliate products, affiliate marketing. Like I said, doing affiliate marketing, selling digital products. One of the ways to drive traffic is using social media, using content creation. That's one of the ways to do that. So this is also another online business idea to eventually start generating revenue for you is YouTube. Content creation. The next online business that is perfect for beginners, it's a great opportunity just to get started out there, is service-based freelancing. Service-based freelancing, what does that mean? Well, just like content creation, you can be creating content. Maybe you're writing sales letters. Maybe you're writing articles. Maybe you're creating reels, or you're creating something as a service, or, even as products, but, you're creating something for another person, another company that is out there that wants the job done. And they don't want to go out and just hire a full-time employee. They just want to hire somebody to create a specific project for them, complete tasks that way. Okay. So you can go to freelance websites and sign up as a freelancer to complete these tasks. How do you get started as a beginner doing something like this? Even if you have no experience, well, you go and you start bidding on jobs, and you start really underbidding a lot of people is what you're going to have to do. You bid really low so that you can get the job, but you even make it clear though, when you're doing this. So this is what you do, is you make it clear that you are bidding very low because you don't have a lot of portfolio. You don't have a portfolio of previous clients, and you're just getting started. So you want to make that clear to the people that are, potentially they're looking for somebody to do a project for them. Okay. Because you don't want to go out there and say, look, okay, I'm really cheap because my work is cheap and it's not really all that good. No. You want to make it clear that you are bidding low so that you can get some reviews. And then hopefully they're going to give you some good reviews as well, right? If your work is good. That's how you get started as a beginner, because you're going to have to build a portfolio, but it can be done. And these days with AI, man, AI is going to do a lot of your work for you doing something like that. Now let's finish off this video with a few of the worst online businesses that people can really get started with. Okay. Now, I'm going to start off right away with one of the worst ones that I believe beginner. Now, it's not that, hey, it's impossible or it's absolute trash, but I think they're not the best for beginners to get started with. And that is number one, MLMs. MLMs, multi-level marketing, okay? Because, if you want to get started and you're looking to get started and you're looking to start making some money here right away and you want to get started, MLM isn't the best choice. I don't believe so, because it's going to take a lot of work and it's take a lot of time. It's going to take a long period, because, we're talking like, people are talking the 3 to 5 year plans, right? Because you're going to have to build up a large organization. It's going to take a lot of recruiting, a lot of team building. And the commissions at first, they're really small. So it's going to take, it's a very long haul. That's why I say for beginners, because if you're experienced and you're being able to build teams and you've built organizations like that, hey, they can be perfectly, you know what I'm saying? But because a person that's been in the industry for several years, they've got all that coming to the table, and it's easier for them to get out the door right away and build organizations quite fast and have that income coming in a lot faster than a beginner. Another one is those paid surveys and get paid twos and stuff like that, little tasks, because really they're not paying. We're talking like fractions of a pennies. Like pennies or something like that for doing surveys, and then you're going to get like maybe 1 or 2 or 3 surveys in a week or something. It sounds appealing to a lot of beginners that are coming into this online space. They hear about this, hey, get paid to do surveys and stuff. And then they find all these, and then they just find out that it's just not worth it. And they end up like, what's a couple dollars a month? You know what I mean? It ain't worth it. It's not worth your time. It's a complete waste of time, waste of your effort to be considering doing anything like that. Another one is Amazon fulfillment, fulfillment by Amazon. So when you're selling products and they are fulfilled by Amazon, because it could be quite costly. Now, hey, it could be profitable in the end for some people, right? But it is just more, it could be very costly and a lot of time consuming to be able to do that. We're talking about in this video right now, we're talking about what are the best opportunities for beginners, what are the worst ones for beginners, right? So these are just a couple of the worst ones that I would say for beginners to get started with. You can go towards that kind of stuff later on, right? Because especially Amazon, right? Like I shop on Amazon, I use Amazon all the time, but I don't want to be having orders fulfilled by Amazon right now if I'm going to start off as a beginner with Amazon doing that. You know what I'm saying? And then another one for beginners that I would say to stay away from right now is crypto and Forex trading. Now, hey, investing, that's a whole other one. Investing in something like crypto, you can do that. You can create investments and have investments in crypto by hodling and holding for the long term. We're not talking about that in this video here though, but that is perfect. But to try to come out and trade, especially like with Forex, is not great for beginners because it's going to take a lot of learning to do, and most people will lose when it comes to trading. But I know it's very appealing. It's very appealing with the leverage, okay? To come in and I can just trade a few numbers and look at the charts, but it takes a lot of learning for beginners. We're talking beginners. What are the worst ones for beginners? What are the best ones for beginners in this video? That's what we're really talking about in this video, okay? Down the road, if you really could become a professional trader, go ahead, right? But as a beginner, I'm just telling you, most beginners come out and they lose their shirt and something like that, okay? So there you have it. There are some of the best and some of the worst online businesses for beginners to get started with or to avoid. Let me know in the comments down below, which is your favorite? Which one inspires you? Which one do you want to take action with when it comes to one of these online businesses as a beginner? All right. And as well, I've got down below in the description, if you want to get started, if you want some help getting started with a digital business here, I have my marketing bundle that is down below in the description. It will help you get started with, monetizing your skills, being able to either get some PLR products or start creating your own digital product with your own skills, monetizing your skills, as well as using social media to market it. I've got the help for you right there down below. Get the marketing bundle. And hey, I've got another video right about here that I believe YouTube's even recommending here for you. So check this video out here right now, and I will see you over there and in the next one.